This is Reya Alexis TV, and you are watching Girl Talk.
I'm here looking like revenge, feeling like a 10, the best I ever been. And yeah, I don't know that it might hurt to see me like this, but
What's up? Okay, my camera, come on now, not today. What it is, what's up, what it is, what's up, what it is. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, thank you guys so much for getting me to 1.3k. Yeah, I just woke up and saw I was at 1.3. I was at 1.2. Duh. But yes, thank you guys so much, because it would not be possible without y'all. So thank you guys. Okay, so let me just explain to you guys what's gonna happen in this video. So as you can tell by this title, I am starting a new series. It's called Girl Talk series. Honestly, I want another name. If you guys can think of a good name for my series, let me know, because Girl Talk is boring. I mean, it is, that's what it is, but I wanted something, you know, a little better. Anyway, so basically, yeah, I'm starting this Girl Talk series on my channel where I make videos and just do topics, you know, that girls can relate to. Some videos I will just ask you guys, you know, what kind of advice you guys want and stuff like that, because I am very smart, okay? No, but really, guys, like, I have a lot of advice, and the whole reason I really started YouTube is not only just to do makeup every day, but I really just want to help girls that can honestly just relate to me, relate to issues. So that's what we're about to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this series, because I definitely know I'm gonna have so much fun doing this series. Please let me know how you guys like this series I'm starting, and yeah. So on today's episode number 1 of Girl Talk series, we are going to be talking about how to deal with haters. But let me pause, let me get something to drink, because we're gonna be doing a lot of talking. I'll be back, okay? Back in action. Okay guys, so how to deal with haters. So basically, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about how to basically identify a hater, you know. You know, because we all have them, okay? There's a lot, especially if you go out and do YouTube and stuff like that, where you're really seen and stuff, you know, you're gonna have haters. It's gonna happen. They're everywhere. So you just gotta deal with them, and I'm gonna tell you how. So I'm gonna tell you guys how to identify one first, and then I'm gonna tell you guys some tips on how to handle them and deal with them, because you know you can't give them the energy they want. Okay, so first of all, what is a hater? So a hater is basically somebody that constantly, you know, has something to say about you, somebody that is constantly trying to just be negative towards you, somebody that does anything and everything to try and get you down, and that person does not have a real reason to do so. I'm telling you guys this because there are going to be, you know, people who may be like, oh, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that, but they may actually, you know, be looking out, you know, there's those people. And then there's other people that don't have your best interest in mind, and they just hate, you know, for no reason.
But you must be mad for the mad. You're mad.
Most of the time when people hate, it's a jealousy thing. It's number one, it's a jealousy thing, or they're just not happy with themselves and they find people to pick on, and it's really just stupid, and I don't know why people do it, but they do it. So but yeah, so that is what a hater is. So now I'm gonna tell you guys 4 different tips on how to deal with haters. Tip number 1. Let me take a drink. This tea is so good. Like, tip number 1 is know your worth and your goal/purpose. Basically, you have to know within yourself what your goal is, you know, who you are, and you have to know your worth so that you know, like, it's not worth entertaining haters and stuff like that. If you know within yourself, you know, that you have a goal and you have places to get and all that stuff, then you're not going to be worried about what other people are saying or what other people are trying to do, because you know within yourself that what you're doing is not bothering anybody and that you are focused on you. If you are confused and you're not really sure what you want to do in life, then when haters and just people in general try and come for you and just try and criticize everything you're doing, then you're going to let those thoughts get to you and you're basically just going to be confused. You know, you're going to prove them right because you're letting all those thoughts, you know, make you kind of like wonder, you know, okay, like, what am I doing? What's my goal and stuff like that. So know within yourself, make up in your mind what it is that you want to do. Make up in your mind that you're going to get to your goal no matter what people say, no matter who tries to stop you. Know all that stuff, know your worth, and when haters and stuff come along, it'll be 10 times easier to deal with them because you know who you are within yourself, sis. Preach, tweet that next. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is to realize the issue. So, like I said earlier, most of the time haters don't have a reason to hate. Most haters don't even know you. They just hate for no reason. Like I said, they may just be jealous or just not be happy within themselves. It's important to know the issue because once you just sit back and realize, like, okay, this person is obviously just not okay with themselves, this is why they keep trying to come for me, then you will know, like, it's not even worth it. It's not worth arguing back with haters. It's not worth responding because you're like, sis, you have the issue, not me. Once you realize you didn't do anything wrong to that person, you just kind of like have closure within the situation and you're just like, I'm gonna just let you continue hating and, you know, not deal with it because I know that we don't really have an issue. I know that I didn't do anything to you. You have the issue. They have the issue, and that is why they are hating. Whatever the issue may be, like I said, they're just bored, okay? Like, sis, go get you a video game, okay? Play with that, not me. Preach. Next. Fact number 3, choose whether to ignore the situation or entertain it. So, this is my favorite one because I'm the type of person, I normally, like, I feel like I have to clap back at everything, okay? Like, I just feel like I always have to get my point across. Well, used to. I used to feel like I always had to get my point across, but this is my favorite because I have changed so much. I literally let so much stuff go nowadays. Like, even with dealing with haters, I have, you know, so many situations where people hate or just do things and I just don't even react to it, and I'm just like, I just feel like I am that, because it's like once you sit and realize that you're the mature person for not entertaining certain situations, you just feel so much better about yourself. If you clap back 24/7, then you're kind of just lowering down to their level because you feel like you always have to respond. We know that there is no real issue. They're just being a hater. Move on, let them talk, and continue to be unbothered and live your life. And fact number 4, remain humble and keep it moving. I also love this fact because even though, you know, you have haters and stuff like that, it's important not to be cocky about it. always know that even if you aren't the cocky type person, even if you just like mind your business, because that's how I am. Like, I'm not even cocky type, but I still get haters, okay? Everybody gets haters. So you can be humble and stuff and still get haters. Like, it's going to happen. Know your worth, but don't be cocky about it, okay? Be confident but not cocky. Yeah, and also just keep it moving, you know, like keep your focus off haters and stuff like that, because you entertaining them is not going to get you anywhere, okay? Your goals and, like I said, your worth and all that stuff is going to get you where you need to be at the end of the day. So don't keep yourself from getting where you need to be because you feel like you have to respond to everything. And yes, it's just like be you and don't let anybody interrupt or bother that. Oh my gosh, this light is really just blowing me. Like, it keeps going in and out. I just want to end by saying you're going to have haters. Don't expect to not have any, especially being in high school for 4 years, like now almost 4 years. I know, like, they're going to come. And even after high school, everybody has haters. Everybody, okay? Your mother, your father, your dog, your cat. Everybody has them, okay? You just got to deal with them. So, those are my 4 tips. I hope you guys found them helpful. These tips I use personally and I've experienced and all that stuff. So, this is from me to you guys. I hope you guys really do, like, find this helpful, though. I hope it helps you guys. I feel like I've been talking with my hands this whole video. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I try not to make this too long, but I hope I helped you guys. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next girl talk. Continue to block out the haters, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, loves.